The 2027 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is about to prove why this truck still owns the midsize segment. If you've been watching truck prices climb while power and fuel economy stay stuck in the same place, this hybrid powertrain is the answer you've been waiting for. Most midsize trucks force you to choose between performance and efficiency, but the Tacoma Hybrid is arriving with 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, and EPA ratings that leave gas-only rivals behind. Smooth on, relentless off the road. A pickup truck that rides well on the highway and tears through trail conditions without complaint. That combination is harder to pull off than it sounds. The Tacoma Hybrid is pulling it off. On the road, the ride is controlled and refined with a coil spring rear suspension doing most of the heavy lifting. That setup absorbs pavement imperfections cleanly, keeping things comfortable without turning soft. It does not feel like a work truck trying to behave. It feels like a truck that was engineered to behave. Anyone who has spent hours behind the wheel of a body-on-frame pickup knows how punishing highway miles can feel by the end of a long drive. That's exactly what the Tacoma Hybrid's suspension tuning is addressing. A composed, controlled ride that masks the truck's rugged roots without softening what makes it useful off the pavement. Flip the coin over and the picture changes entirely. The Tacoma Hybrid is going to impress drivers who take their trucks off the pavement on a regular basis. Toyota is building this truck in dedicated variants with serious off-road hardware, and those versions are turning what's already a capable platform into something genuinely formidable. But none of that off-road capability means much if the powertrain underneath it can't back it up. What Toyota has put under the hood of this truck is exactly where the real story begins. Seamless hybrid integration. The system under the hood is called iForce Max, and it pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor positioned between the engine and the 8-speed automatic transmission. Combined output comes to 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, numbers that make the Tacoma Hybrid one of the most powerful options in the mid-size segment. What makes this setup stand out is not just the power figure, it's the way the power arrives. Most drivers who have spent time in hybrid trucks from other brands will recognize a familiar frustration, a noticeable lag between pressing the accelerator and actually feeling the truck respond, as if the gas and electric systems are still deciding who goes first. That's not what's happening here. The iForce Max places the electric motor directly between the engine and transmission, which means torque delivery is immediate and the transition between power sources is essentially invisible. The result is a truck that pulls cleanly from a standstill and feels like a single cohesive unit through the entire rev range. In testing, the TRD Off-Road reached 60 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds and the TRD Pro in 7.7 seconds, which are solid numbers for a truck of this size and weight. On the efficiency side, the EPA rates the Tacoma Hybrid at 22 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, with an estimated combined range of around 419 miles per tank. The hybrid system is tuned more toward performance than raw fuel savings, and that's a conscious decision on Toyota's part. Buyers choosing this powertrain are getting a performance upgrade with an efficiency bonus attached, not the other way around. And that powertrain is going into a cabin that's been just as carefully thought through, because the technology inside this truck is going to surprise people who haven't been paying attention. Tech loaded. Spend time with the Tacoma Hybrid's cabin, and the first thing that registers is how modern it feels. The dashboard is clean, with high-resolution displays and a layout that keeps physical controls where they belong. Knobs and buttons are still there for frequently used functions, and that matters for buyers who are going to be operating this truck with work gloves on or in rough terrain. The base infotainment screen measures 8.0 inches on TRD Sport and TRD Off-Road trims. Move up to the limited Trailhunter or TRD Pro, and that grows to a 14-inch touchscreen. On off-road trims, that large display is doing something particularly useful. It's running the multi-terrain monitor, which gives the driver a live camera view of what's directly beneath the truck. For anyone who has ever inched forward on a rocky trail with no idea what the front wheels are about to drop into, that feature alone changes how confidently you can push the truck. Every Tacoma Hybrid is also coming standard with a 12.3-inch configurable digital driver display, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on every trim level. The audio system starts with a 6-speaker setup and upgrades to a 10-speaker JBL Premium configuration on most hybrid grades, including a removable Bluetooth speaker that docks into the top of the dashboard, practical for job sites and campsites alike. Think about pulling up to a trailhead after a long drive, cutting the engine, and still having music without draining the truck's battery or running a cable outside. That detachable speaker is a small detail that makes a real difference in everyday use. Available features are going to include a wireless charging pad, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, 120-volt outlets in both the cabin and the bed, and an onboard air compressor. That last item is worth pausing on. Running the tires down to a lower pressure before hitting the dirt is one of the first things experienced off-road drivers do, and having a compressor already on board means airing back up before returning to the highway requires nothing more than pulling over and plugging in. Every Tacoma Hybrid is also coming standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams with blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert standard across all hybrid trim levels. The technology package is genuinely strong, but it's really just setting the table for what the off-road variants of this truck are going to be capable of. Off-road expertise. The Tacoma Hybrid's lineup is built around off-road performance, and the trim structure reflects that clearly. Starting with the TRD Off-Road, buyers are getting a composite front skid plate, Bilstein shock absorbers, a driver-selectable rear locking differential, and 17-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. It's the trim most reviewers are pointing to as the value pick in the hybrid range, serious hardware at a price that stays below the upper tier. Above that sits the TRD Pro, and this is where Toyota's off-road engineering goes to another level. There are trails where a standard anti-roll bar becomes a liability, where the suspension needs to move freely enough to keep all four tires in contact with the ground over uneven terrain. That's precisely what the TRD Pro's disconnecting front anti-roll bar is designed for. It detaches on demand, allowing the front suspension to articulate far more aggressively over rocks and ruts, then reconnects for composed pavement driving on the way home. Paired with 2.5-inch dampers with remote reservoirs and 33-inch Goodyear Territory R/T tires, this is a truck that is going to handle technical terrain with real confidence. Then there is the Trail Hunter, positioned as the overland specialist of the group. Old Man Emu off-road suspension goes on this one, along with two underbody skid plates and a feature set aimed at buyers planning extended trips into remote territory. The Trail Hunter and TRD Pro are also the only two trims where the hybrid powertrain is the sole option. That says something about what this powertrain is actually built for, and what Toyota is asking for, all of it. That's what makes the 2027 Tacoma Hybrid's position in this segment genuinely difficult to argue with. Release date and price. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is on its way, with availability expected later this year. Pricing is going to start at around $49,000 for the TRD Sport and work up from there. The TRD Off-Road is around $50,000, the Limited at $60,000, the Trail Hunter is $66,000, and the TRD Pro at $67,000 at the top of the range. The price increase from the previous model year is going to be minimal, which is worth noting in a segment where costs have been climbing steadily. The Tacoma Hybrid is staying within reach of buyers who want genuine off-road performance and a seamlessly integrated hybrid powertrain without crossing into full-size truck pricing. That positioning, capable, well-equipped, and priced with restraint, is exactly what has kept the Tacoma at the top of the midsize segment for so long. The 2027 model is not changing that formula, it's reinforcing it. What the 2027 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is putting together is a package that's genuinely hard to find elsewhere in this segment. A powertrain that performs without hesitation, a ride that stays composed on any surface, a cabin stocked with technology that actually serves the driver, and off-road variants built with hardware serious enough to back up every claim Toyota makes about this truck. The price is staying reasonable, the capability is going up, and the gap between the Tacoma Hybrid and its closest rivals is not getting any smaller. For buyers who have been waiting for a mid-size truck that handles everything, the 2027 Tacoma Hybrid is arriving at exactly the right time. Now, the competition in the segment is heating up, with several rivals coming significantly updated for the next year. One of them is the Honda Ridgeline you can check out in our next video. Famous for its unique approach to pickup design, it's getting a full redesign for the next year that will, among other novelties, also bring a brand new V6 hybrid powertrain.